Hey girl, hey, it's your boy. It's July 14th, I think. My first walk. Here we go. I'm still in the building. Here we go. Hold please. There we go. So, what's up, y'all? I did that on purpose because I wanted y'all to see more of my exit. I'm gonna go this way. It's still pretty shady outside. But anyways, wanted to see y'all to see a little bit more of my exit with me stopping on that step like it's hot lava or something. But yeah, I'm out for my first walk of the day. Just chilling. It's a nice morning this morning. It really is. I doubt I will be sweating to death about the time I get back. But don't hold a brother to that. You know, my first walk is usually a short one. But here we go. So I made a post yesterday sometime about liking and sharing maybe one or two of my videos. You gotta go crazy. And that is important to me because it goes along with what I'm about to tell you. For as long as I could remember, I ain't gonna say I knew there was something special about me or whatever. We all different. We all have our strengths and weaknesses, and I'm no better than anybody else. Shit. I may recognize a lot more about myself because people have a tendency to have tunnel vision, especially being somewhat blind to who they are, their own actions, and how they portray themselves. So, with that being said, with everything that I have been through and am going through and will go through, I mean, I just don't want all of that to be not in vain, because I will never forget any lesson that I have learned or will learn. But I want to do more than that. And honestly, y'all, I know we all have been searching or is searching for our purpose in life. I know I have. And I think I'm getting somewhat closer to it. Being able to see it. It's all making more sense to me now. For one reason or another. Here I go, y'all. Independence Boulevard. You know what that means? Turn the fuck around. Right on time. I got 5 minutes left, y'all. But I think I'm getting somewhat closer. I've always wanted to know, I've always thought that I was going to be some sort of teacher, but you gotta look outside the box. There's way more ways to be a teacher than in a school building. You're a teacher as soon as you encounter anybody. It's your chance to be a teacher. Now, what makes a good teacher? To sum it all up in the same time, somebody who knows what the fuck they talking about. Somebody who knows how to deliver the information, whether it's learned firsthand or learned in the institution, whatever the case may be. Someone who is easy to gravitate towards, someone you trust to a certain degree. And I think I have a lot of those qualities. Now, let me tell you, people have told me I'm conceited, a smart aleck. And you know what I tell them? Show them the fuck it. And I say that not as a way to validate them being, me being a smart ass. Ain't cute. I just know who the fuck I am now. And I want to build on that. I feel like I have a lot of insight that people may want to, need to, or will need to hear at some point. I can't reach the world, but I damn sure want to try, y'all. So that's my epiphany. What Brandon wants to do with his life is to help others. To help other people. Because I love people. And people tend to love me. So, 1 + 1 = what, y'all? 2. In that case, I gotta go. Bye, girl, bye.